Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in today's video we are going to be making the almighty rice face mask that the Chinese people used to lighten their face, the one they used to make their skin look like a mirror. That's what we are going to be making in today's video, guys. And to do that, all you need is just to get half cup of rice. Any rice can serve. Go ahead and wash the rice. Wash it until the water is transparent, until the water is clear. Once the water is clear, you will know that the rice is clean. Then you go ahead and add it into the pot, add water and cook it until it's very soft. Okay, so rice mask exfoliates dead skin cells, controls excess oil and soothes the skin. Rice mask helps to brighten the skin, and it also helps to protect the skin from UV rays. Rice mask also contains antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and moisturizing agent, which helps to reduce the signs of aging and gives your skin a glass-like skin. Did you hear that? A glass-like skin. That's why their skin is always looking like a glass. It's always looking like a mirror. So while the rice is cooking, I will move over to this stage. I'll get one carrot. I'll go ahead and grate this carrot with the smallest size of the grater. I decided to add carrot because it contains vitamin C and it also helps to brighten the skin. Yes, so carrot has phenolic acid, beta carotene, and vitamin C, which helps to improve the skin tone. They also help to prevent dark spots and blemishes. So that's why I decided to add carrot to this treatment. Okay, so I'll go ahead and grate with the smallest size, and once that is done, I will extract the juice from the grated carrot. I will just squeeze to extract the juice. If you don't want to grate yours, you can go ahead and blend without adding water, or you can add little water. Okay guys, so that is it. See here, we all must glow by fire by force. We have to glow. You see that glass skin, we must have it too. So I'm done grating the carrot now. I'll go ahead and extract the juice. And once that is done, I will set the juice aside. Yes, I will be needing this water that I'm extracting right now. I will need it. I will make use of it. So it's necessary that you pass this process, okay? Extract your own water and keep it aside. I'll still show you why we will be needing it later, okay? So that is it, guys. Like I said, this Chinese rice face mask is very effective, guys. So now my rice is ready. As you all can see, it's very soft. The key word here is to cook it until it's soft, so it will be easy for you to blend. So as you blend, it will be smooth. If it's not soft, it will be difficult for you to blend into a paste. Okay, so I'll add about 3 to 4 spoons of rice into the blender. I will cover and blend. I will add carrot and the carrot juice before blending it. I like to prepare my DIYs in small quantities so that I can use it just 2 or 3 times. Then I will discard the remaining one. I don't like leaving them in the fridge for more than 3 days. Yes, so here I needed the carrot juice here. I added the juice so it will be easy for me to blend the rice. Okay guys, so now I'll go ahead and cover and blend until smooth. So here I'm done blending it, and this is what it looks like. As you all can see, it's in a paste form. It's blended very well because the rice is soft. Yes, so I'm done. Right here I'll go ahead and add some into the plate. At this point, if you want to add vitamin E oil or any other essential oil, this is the right time for you to do that. Okay, so that is it, guys. Now I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can actually use this treatment. Okay, I'll be showing you guys how you can actually use this rice mask to clear acne, dark spots, and pimples. Okay, this rice mask is very effective. This is what the Chinese people use to whiten their skin. Yes, and the carrot I added to it is just to provide vitamin C to it, and you all know that vitamin C is very essential to the skin. Okay, so how do you use this treatment? When you get this treatment, make sure that your face is washed. After washing your face, my face is already washed. Can you see this pimple? This is that time of the month. That's why I'm having this right here. But it will be gone soon. So take your brush, or you can use your hand, and apply it all over your face. If you think that the consistency is very thick, you can go ahead and add water to it. If you still have your carrot juice, you can use carrot juice instead of water. But if you don't have carrot juice, you can just add water to it to lighten the consistency. So this is it. Go ahead and apply it all over your face. This mask is very effective, guys. So like I said, this mask will help to lighten your skin. It will help to fade away dark spots. So after applying it all over your face, you have to wait for it to dry up before you wash it out. Now I'm done applying it. I will wait for it to dry up. Once it dries up, I'll go ahead and wash my face. Then I'll come back and show you guys what my face looks like after washing it off, okay? So guys, now I've washed my face and this is what my face looks like. Can you guys see? Can you all see how smooth my face is looking like right now? So what I will do is that I'll go ahead and use this towel to pat dry my face. So after drying my face, I'll go ahead and apply this Brightening Day Protection Cream from Cetaphil. It contains SPF 15. So that's it. Like I said, after applying treatment, always make sure you apply moisturizer or day cream or aloe vera gel on your face, okay? Don't leave your face dry. So that is it. I am done. For this treatment, use it 3 times in a week. After using it, the remaining one, you can leave it in the fridge for 2 days. After 2 days, discard it and prepare another one, okay? So guys, that is how you can prepare your own rice mask to get rid of dark spots, lighten your face, get rid of acne, okay guys? So that is it for today. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this video and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.